Welcome to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are looking at a business English phrase that is all about action, starting projects, and building momentum.
Action and momentum are great for business. What is the phrase?
The phrase is, get the ball rolling.
Get the ball rolling. This sounds like another sports metaphor.
It absolutely is. Imagine a very heavy, giant stone ball sitting on the top of a hill. It is very hard to push it at first.
Yes, getting it to move would take a lot of energy.
But once you finally push it, it starts rolling down the hill. It gets faster and faster, and it becomes very easy to keep it moving.
I understand. The hardest part is just the very beginning.
Precisely. In business, to get the ball rolling means to start a project or start a process so that other people can join in and the work can finally begin.
That makes perfect sense. Can you give me an office example?
Absolutely. Imagine you are in a meeting with 10 people. You are supposed to be brainstorming ideas for a new commercial, but everyone is sitting in total silence.
Awkward silence in meetings is the worst. Someone has to speak first.
Right, you decide to be brave. You stand up and say, I will get the ball rolling. Here is my first idea for the commercial.
I am starting the process so that everyone else feels comfortable joining the conversation.
Spot on, it shows great leadership. Let us look at another example. Your company needs to hire a new accountant, but nobody has written the job description yet.
We cannot hire anyone if we do not advertise the job.
Exactly. Your boss might look at you and say, can you write the job description today, just to get the ball rolling?
He wants me to do the first step, so the rest of the hiring process can begin.
You understand it perfectly. Let us practice the pronunciation. It has a great rhythm. Connect the words get and the get the ball rolling.
Get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling.
Flawless, your tone is perfectly professional. Now, let us test your project management skills with our expanded 3-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the action scenarios.
Scenario 1. Your team just finished a massive 6-month project. You wrap up the final presentation and go out to celebrate at a restaurant. Are you getting the ball rolling?
Definitely not. The project is completely finished. The ball has already stopped. You only use this phrase at the very beginning of something.
Correct. Scenario 2. You want to buy a new house. You call a bank and schedule an appointment to ask about a loan for the very first time.
Yes, you are taking the very first small step in a long process. You are getting the ball rolling on buying a house.
Spot on. Scenario 3. You are sitting on your sofa watching television. You are thinking about cleaning your kitchen, but you do not actually stand up or do any work.
No, thinking about work is not action. You have to actually do something to get the ball rolling.
You nailed every single question. You perfectly understand how to initiate action.
Thank you. I cannot wait to get the ball rolling on tomorrow's lesson.
Fantastic usage. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and keep practicing.